Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the background of your videos in CapCut PC. So what if you want to change the background of this one? The area you want to remove has to be either blue or green. Select chroma key and you can select that area and you can adjust the intensity here. It's going to remove some, but just add in a little bit of shadow. I'll just remove it this much. Then you're just going to add any background that you want underneath, like so. Make sure you adjust the tone of the video to the background though by going to the adjustment section. You can select color match, but this is a pro feature, so you can still adjust it yourself here by going to temperatures, exposure, contrast, and stuff like that. And whoops, that matches it a little bit better than the one before. To remove background from people, just simply select their video like so. Then go to video, go to remove background and select auto removal. And just adjust that. Add it on top of another background, and yeah, that should be it really. Trying to figure out what background I should use. Maybe this one. You can also color match it or just use the adjustments if you'd like to. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.